Traveling soon? Want to understand real English at the airport slowly, clearly, and without stress? Then stay with me. Today, you'll hear natural airport English in slow, simple language, so you can finally feel confident when you travel. Hello, friends, and welcome back to ClearSpeak English, your calm space to practice real, everyday English in a slow and simple way. I'm really happy you're here today. Before we begin, remember this. You can pause anytime. You can repeat anytime. You can go at your own speed. And if shadowing feels strange at first, that's okay. Everyone feels that. It gets easier every time you try. All right, let's start today's story. It's early morning in New York City. The sky is soft and gray, and the streets are still quiet. A few cars pass by. A few people walk slowly with their morning coffee. The city is waking up. Today is a travel day. I'm flying to another city, so I wake up a little earlier than usual. My suitcase is ready. My passport is in my backpack. My ticket is saved on my phone. Everything feels organized, and I feel calm. I wash my face, get dressed, and make a simple breakfast, just warm coffee and toasted bread. The taste is simple, but comforting. I check the time again. Everything is perfect. I'm not rushing. Before leaving, I check my flight details, the terminal, the gate number, and the boarding time. Everything looks good. I take a deep breath, zip my backpack, open the door, and step into the quiet morning hallway. Outside, the air feels cool and fresh. A taxi arrives, and I put my suitcase in the trunk. I sit in the back seat, take a deep breath, and relax. New York passes by slowly through the window. Tall buildings, yellow lights, early morning traffic. The driver asks me, "Where are you flying today?" I smile and answer, "Terminal 4, please." The taxi moves smoothly through the city. Inside the car, everything feels calm, like the day is starting in a soft, easy way. Try to shadow these simple sentences. I have a flight today. My suitcase is ready. My passport is in my bag. I'm going to the airport. I feel calm and prepared. Take your time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. You're already doing great. Shadowing feels strange in the beginning, but this is exactly how you build real fluency. Stay with me. We're just getting started. The taxi stops in front of the airport entrance. The automatic doors open, and the airport feels bright and busy. People are rolling suitcases, families are talking, announcements echo through the speakers, screens are showing flight numbers, but you are calm, you are ready, you understand the environment, you take your suitcase, walk toward the check-in area, and the real travel day begins. You walk through the bright airport hall. The floor shines under the warm lights, and you hear the soft rolling sound of hundreds of suitcases. Big signs hang above your head. Check-in. Security. Gates ABC. You follow the sign that says check-in. There are many people waiting in line, travelers with backpacks, families with small children, and business passengers holding laptops and coffee cups. But even with all this activity around you, you still feel calm. Everything is moving slowly and clearly. You look at the screens above the counters. You see your flight number. Everything matches. Everything feels right. You step forward in the line, and finally, you reach the front. The airline staff smiles at you. "Good morning. Where are you flying today?" You answer politely, "Good morning, I'm flying to Los Angeles." The staff types on its computer for a moment and then asks, "May I have your passport, please?" You give your passport with a calm smile. "Do you have any bags to check?" You point to your suitcase. "Yes, just one bag." They lift your suitcase onto the scale. You hear the soft thud as it lands. The wait is normal. Everything is fine. The staff prints your boarding pass and hands it to you. You're all set. Your gate is A12. Boarding starts at 10:20. Have a great flight. You look at the boarding pass carefully. Everything is clear and easy to understand. You thank the staff, take a slow, deep breath, and walk toward the security area. Shadow these sentences slowly. Where are you flying today? May I have your passport, please? Do you have any bags to check? Your gate is A12. Boarding starts at 10:20. These sentences are used in every airport. The more you repeat them, the more natural they feel. Simple, clear definitions, perfect for beginners. Check in to register for your flight. Check a bag to give your suitcase to the airline. Boarding, the process of getting on the plane. Gate, the place where you enter the plane. Departure time, the time your plane leaves. No difficult grammar, just real useful English. You're doing really well. Shadowing feels different at first, but this is how real fluency grows. Every minute you stay here, your English becomes more natural. Let's keep going. You follow the signs to security check. The line is long, but it moves smoothly. You prepare your things, your boarding pass, your phone, your backpack. You breathe in slowly and step forward into the security area. You arrive at the security area. People stand in a long line, putting their bags into trays, taking off their jackets, and preparing their things. The atmosphere is busy, but you still feel calm. You know exactly what to expect. A security officer speaks to the line. Please remove laptops and liquids. Place all electronics in a separate tray. You nod and follow the instructions. You take out your laptop, your phone, your small bag of liquids, and place them all neatly in the plastic tray. The line moves slowly and you step forward. The officer gestures to you. Please place your backpack here. You do it slowly. You take off your jacket, empty your pockets, and place everything onto the belt. The officer says, "Please walk through." You walk through the scanner. A soft beep, but everything is okay. The officer smiles. "Thank you. You're good to go." You pick up your backpack, your laptop, your phone, and your passport. You put everything back inside calmly. No rush, no stress. You take one slow breath and continue walking toward the gates. Shadow these simple airport sentences. Please remove your laptop. Place your backpack on the belt. Walk through the scanner. You're good to go. Thank you. Short, simple, real English. Exactly what you hear at every airport. Tray, a plastic container for your items. Liquids, small bottles, shampoo, perfume, water. Belt, the moving line that carries your bags. Scanner, the machine you walk through. Security officer, the person checking your items. These words are simple but extremely useful when you travel. You're doing great so far. Travel English becomes easier when you hear it slowly and clearly like this. Remember, you don't need complicated sentences to speak well. You just need the right sentences, and you're learning them right now. Keep going. We're almost at the gate. You leave the security area and enter the main part of the terminal. Bright lights, coffee shops, bookstores, large windows with planes outside, a long hallway full of travelers from around the world. You walk slowly, feeling more confident with every step. You check a screen. Flight to Los Angeles, gate A12, on time perfect. Everything is going smoothly. You follow the signs and walk toward your gate, passing cafes, souvenir shops, and passengers waiting with their phones and headphones. Your journey continues. You arrive at gate A12. The area is bright and calm. People are sitting with headphones, reading books, checking their phones, or drinking coffee. You sit down near the window. Outside, you see your plane, white, clean, and ready for the next flight. The sky is clear. The afternoon sun is soft. It feels peaceful. A quiet announcement plays. Attention passengers on Flight 247 to Los Angeles. Boarding will begin soon. You take a slow breath. You feel prepared. You know the phrases, you understand the process, and you feel comfortable in the airport. Repeat these real airport sentences. Boarding will begin soon. Passengers in Group 1 may board now. Please have your passport ready. We are now boarding all passengers. Thank you for waiting. These sentences are simple, but you hear them in every airport in the world. Listen slowly, shadow softly. Let the rhythm guide you. Boarding, getting on the plane. Gate, the place where you wait before boarding. Announcement, message you hear through the speakers. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, boarding order. Passport ready, hold your passport in your hand. These words help you understand everything at the airport without feeling confused. I want you to notice something. You're understanding more than you think. This is what slow, natural English does. It gives your brain time. It gives your confident space to grow. So relax. You're doing amazing. Stay with me. The announcement comes again. We are now boarding all passengers. Please proceed to gate 12. You stand up, pick up your backpack, and walk slowly toward the line. The agent at the gate smiles. Passport, please. You hand over your passport and boarding pass. She checks your name, gives a small nod, and says, "Thank you. Enjoy your flight." You walk down the jet bridge. The air gets cooler and the sound becomes quieter. You step into the plane, a soft welcome. "Hello, welcome aboard." You smile back, find your seat, and place your backpack under the seat in front of you. You sit down. The day feels smooth. The language feels clear. You feel ready for the journey. You are now sitting in your seat. The cabin lights are soft. People are still putting bags into the overhead bins. You hear quiet voices, zippers, the low hum of the airplane engine. A calm announcement plays. "Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt. We will depart shortly." You take a deep breath. The plane begins to move, slowly at first, then faster, until you feel the airplane lift off the ground. The city becomes smaller. The clouds become closer. Everything feels calm. You open your book for a moment, then close it again. You simply listen to the quiet air around you. Repeat these simple, real phrases. Please fasten your seatbelt. We will depart shortly. Please remain seated. We are now preparing for landing. Thank you for flying with us. Short sentences, but extremely common in every flight. Let them flow. Shadow at your own pace. Seatbelt, the belt you wear for safety. Overhead bin, the compartment above your seat. Landing, the plane goes down and touches the ground. Flight attendant, the person who helps you on the plane. Cabin, inside the airplane. These words help understand every announcement, every instruction on every flight. After a few hours, the plane starts to descend. You feel a soft pressure in your ears. The lights turn on. An announcement. We are now preparing for landing. Please return to your seat. You look out the window. The city appears again. Small buildings, cars, lights, a river winding through the streets. The plane touches the ground smoothly, quietly. You smile a little. You made it. You walk off the plane, follow the signs, and arrive at immigration. The officer looks at you and says, "Purpose of your visit?" You answer clearly, "Tourism." He stamps your passport. Thump. You walk on. At baggage claim, you wait for your suitcase. The carousel turns slowly. You see your bag, lift it up, and walk toward the exit. Fresh air hits your face, a new city, a new experience, and you understood everything. You should feel proud right now. This wasn't just a story. You followed real airport English from start to finish. Shadowing grows your fluency just like this, slowly, naturally, sentence by sentence. Keep going. You are improving more than you realize. If this lesson helped you, use it again tomorrow. Your English grows every single time you repeat these sentences. And if you want more slow, clear English stories just like this one, you're always welcome here on ClearSpeak English. Take your time, enjoy the process, and I'll see you in the next lesson.